I am a skilled day trader. I take day trading seriously, and I'm a master of it. I have a fine-tuned sense for knowing when to enter and exit trades. I always take smart and calculated risks. I only take smart and calculated risks. I know when to be patient and when to act on my trades. I am constantly improving my day trading knowledge. I easily adapt to new trends and shifts in the market. My mind is highly aware and focused at all times. I am 100% present when I am day trading. I keep a positive mental attitude no matter what. I live and breathe. I love day trading. I have strong intuition for when to make great trades. Being a highly successful day trader is the norm for me. Making loads of money day trading is easy for me. I enjoy the process of developing my day trading knowledge. I continue to press on towards my vision and goals, no matter what setbacks may occur. I am naturally persistent and tenacious. Making money day trading the markets is just a normal part of my life. Money and profits are automatically drawn to me as a result of day trading well and consistently. I take full responsibility for my actions and my trades. No matter what my day trading results are, I learn and grow from them. My focus is entirely on the process of day trading and not on any particular outcome. I make money day trading every day. I am a profitable and masterful day trader. I become wealthy due to my day trading. I am a highly successful day trader. I am a skilled day trader. I take day trading seriously, and I am a master of it. I have a fine-tuned sense for knowing when to enter and exit trades. I always take smart and calculated risks. I only take smart and calculated risks. I know when to be patient and when to act on my trades. I am constantly improving my day trading knowledge. I and shifts in the market. My mind is highly aware and focused at all times. I am 100% present when I am day trading. I keep a positive mental attitude no matter what. I live and breathe the markets. I love day trading. I become wealthy due to my day trading.
I become wealthy due to my day trading. I become wealthy due to my day trading. I become wealthy due to my day trading. I become wealthy due to my day trading. I become wealthy due to my day trading. I become wealthy due to my day trading. I become wealthy due to my day trading. I become wealthy due to my day trading. Who is affirming with me? Who is becoming wealthy due to his day trading? Who is becoming wealthy due to his or her day trading? I become wealthy due to my day trading. I become wealthy due to my day trading. I'm already on this sell for USD, guys. I'm already on this sell for USD. I'm already on this sell for USD. You can see. So now I have to now be very intentional. 7 o'clock, I can confidently take my trade at 7 o'clock because 7 o'clock is Frankfurt section. It means that it's a good time to start trading from 7 o'clock. Okay, if it has met your criteria, it's a good time, and it has met all the criteria I'm expecting to meet. Number one, there is a gap. There is a gap. Look at the gap that we saw in the morning. See all this gap here. This is abnormal. So this gap needs to be filled back. Okay, this gap that so this fair value gap needs to be filled. So we're gonna have a couple of cells, right? Cells. This gap needs to be filled. That's one. So why the market gapped up? It gapped into the premium zone. Pay attention carefully. Why is the market gapped up? It gapped into the premium zone, and that will mean that we are in a place to sell. Not only that, we have seen our change of trend. Can you see? We have seen our change of trend. This is a perfect sell. I'm already on this sell. I should be in massive profit by now. I should be in massive profit by now. I should be in massive profit by now. I should be in massive, massive, massive profits. Yeah, I'm already on the sale. So what did I see? I saw a change of trend. Are we together? Yes, I love that. I become wealthy due to day trading because I take day trading seriously and I'm master of it. I love that. So the reason why I'm becoming wealthy is not just because you are farming it. The reason why you are becoming wealthy is not just because you are farming it. It's because you have taken day trading seriously and you're a master of it. So it's mastery that equals money. Everybody, everybody, what did I say? Mastery equals money. My mentor will say the money you are looking for is in the mastery. The money you want. Hey, the money you want is the mastery you need. So you want money, but it's mastery you need. The money you want The money is in the what? Mastery. Is in the mastery. The money you want is where? Where is the money? Where is the money you're looking for, guys? Where is the money you want? So what you want is money, right? They play. What you want is money. They waiting. They play. What you need is mastery. What you want is money. What you need is mastery. What you want is money. What you need is mastery. So the money you want is in the mastery. So why did I sell euros this morning? I just came to my chart and I said that, oh wow, this guy is really right for his sale. So why did I say USD? Look at over the time. Let me take off this my favorite lookup for a while. Let me take off my favorite lookup. So what did I see that made me want to sell USD? I saw a change of trend now. And 0, 1, 2, 3. Why will I not sell? I've seen a change of trend that has given me a bearish structure, right? This higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Then it gave me a lower low, and that lower low has given me 0, 1, 2, 3. That is high. We talked about this yesterday. Yesterday in the swing call, we talked about direction. Okay. Yesterday in the swing call, we mentioned direction, isn't it? This is I. That's I is 0, right? I is 0. This is low. Low is what? 1. High and low. Then what do we have? Lower I. What is lower I? Lower I is 2. Then we have what? Lower low. What is lower low? Lower low is what? 3. So what did I do? I simply came to what? To mark out my supply. Is this a supply? Yes. I came to mark out my supply. See supply here now. This is a rally base drop. So I marked it from the big candle, right? But you can choose to enter from the middle line or just refine it to the base. Anyone, it works. You can see how it works perfectly. Perfectly inside and start selling. So for me, I've seen my confirmation for a sale. I've done my parts. I leave the rest to the market. I don't have business again. So this market either gets to my take profit or my stop loss. This is a 1 to 5 trade. Okay. So my first take profit will be at what? The 50% equilibrium. Okay. Right. But I believe strongly if the market will sell, it has to fill this gap. Right. So if it's filling this gap, I can take my profit at this demand, which gives me 1 to 5. Right. There's a demand zone here. So I can take my profit there, which is also coinciding with 71% range, 71% Fibonacci. Okay. So if I'm selling from here, I can take my profit here because we still have to fill this gap. This fair value gap has to be filled. That fair value gap has to be filled. So that's what I'm having for this London section. All right. Because I expect to fill we are in the premium zone. We are in the premium zone. We are in the what? Premium zone. So no worries, no fears. You just do what you gotta do and leave the rest. So if you want to enter a sell, you have to wait for a break of structure. So let me show you where you can enter for your USD. If you want to be part of this move, right? If you want to be part of this move, where do you enter? Look at it. We have 0, 1, 2, 3. Now we have pulled back, right? So we need to see what break of structure and a pullback before you can enter. Exactly. You need to see your lower low become a break of structure. So let me delete this. We need to see this break out. So we call it the structural break and retest. Once we see this break out, then we wait for what? A retracement to sell. Is that clear? Nobody answered my money is in the mastery or mastery is in the money. Is that clear? Euro USD. Clear. Let's check out for we can't trade UJ because today is JPY bank holiday. So let's check out for gold. Gold has given us a change of trend, kind of. So we are sell buyers for gold. But let's first mark structure for the buy so we know the pullback is giving us and whatnot. All right. So this is gold. Let's mark the break of structure first so we know what is giving us. So we have a break of structure here. So when we broke structure, we also have a we also have internal break of structure here. So in this case now, that break of structure, let's mark the origin or the demand of that break of structure. So we can see this demand here, which was the origin, has been taken out. This particular demand here, this particular demand there or order block has been what has been has been broken. For this case now, it has been broken, right? Now we are trying to form a bearish structure. So what we just do is we're going to keep marking out other demand zone that will be broken too. So let's go to 1 hour. Let's see what 1 hour is saying. Okay, no, let's still be on 4 hours. Let's mark out all the. So this one has been what has been broken. So now what structure are we seeing now? A change of trend, right? I'm on 4 hours. Break of structure. So higher low, higher high. Then we have a what? Lower low. Can we see it? Is it clear? Is it clear? Look at it very carefully. We broke structure, right? Bef- at this point, this was higher low and higher high. At the break of structure, we had higher low and what? Higher high, right? But now, currently, this push took out this higher low, which makes it a lower low. So at this point, we have a change of character, which is market structure shifts, right? Change of character, market structure shifts. So what do we now expect? We have a new high and what? New low. As far as this market is concerned, we have a new high and new low. So for us to have a sell, this high needs to prove to be weak. For me to have a change of trend, this high must prove to be weak, meaning that I don't expect this high to be taken again. For me to have what? A sell. Okay? So this high needs to prove to be weak. This high needs to prove to be weak. It must be a what? A weak high, right? Sorry, a strong high, not a weak high. A strong high. This high needs to be strong because it will not be taken. Then this low needs to be weak. It is the low that will be taken. So the low, if this market is going to sell, this low should not hold for a buy, right? This low should not hold for a buy and now take out the high. No, the high should be strong for the low to be taken out. You understand? So there's a concept of weak high and weak low. That one is mentorship. I can't teach it. I can't teach it here. Okay, a concept of what? Weak high and weak low. So for this sell to take play, the high needs to be strong and the low needs to be weak. Is that understood? So I'm setting out my locations for gold. For me personally, I'm trading gold, EU, and UJ or GJ. So I need to be alert. I need to know what I'm doing. Right. So let's now come to 1 hour and see. Let's see what on Friday, what price action did on Friday. So we can now do our swing for the week, for this week. Where is Friday? This is Friday, right? So Friday, highest point and what? Lowest point. But we know that this is liquidity, right? So pay attention very carefully. This is Friday. Friday started here. So that means for Friday, this is the highest point and the lowest point. But overall, we know that this is our high and low. So this Friday high might be used as liquidity before it can sell. So to be safe, I just need to mark my supply zones at the premium. To be safe, I need to mark my supply zones as the premium because this is my high. This is my range. I can't be selling inside here. I don't have business selling here. Even when it gets to this place, it's only when it gets here and I get a bearish confirmation. Okay, my sales should probably be at what? The premium zone, which is this one. But if it gets to 50% and I see a confirmation for a sell, it has the right to sell from here. So my 2 point of interest now for my sell is at 50% equilibrium. So let me just leave it like this at 50 equilibrium or supply for my gold. Okay, is that clear? Is gold clear? This is 1 hour. Yeah. So let me mark all the Monday to Friday vertical line. This is Monday. This is Friday. Ooh. Wednesday. Thursday. Tuesday. Okay, good. So I need to see accumulation and manipulation into my premium zone. So this is what I need to see for gold. price to accumulate and manipulate into premium zone for a sell, right? Structural view, that's what I'm expecting. Right. So, which pair are we analyzing again? Which pair do you want me to analyze? So let's do GBP NZD. I think Divine mentioned GBP NZD yesterday. Divine mentioned GBP NZD yesterday. So let's analyze GBP NZD. All right. So what do we do? Same. We do mark out what structure. Looking at this structure now, we see that we have our direction is bullish. Okay. Break of structure, break of structure, right? Demand zone. Let's go to 4 hours now. Let's go to 4 hours. Can you see? We broke structure. It came back into what? This demand zone. So look at very carefully. You can see this is a rally base rally. Rally base rally. This is a demand zone. This is swing demand. This is swing demand. So look at the structure here. Okay, swing demand and what? Continuation demand. I've told you that your swing demand is always found at where? At your higher lows, right? Okay, this is your swing demand, rally based rally. Sorry, drop based rally. Swing demand, drop based rally. While rally based rally is continuation demand. Rally based rally is what? Continuation demand. So swing based rally is found at the higher low, okay, while the continuation is found alongside as the trend continues to go up. So this is a rally based, and you see that that's what got respected here. Good. So let's mark out this rally based rally because that was what got respected for GBPNZ. So on 4 hours, we are currently sitting on that demand zone of 4 hours, right? On 4 hours, we are correct. So on 15 minutes, we need to see a change of trend on 15 minutes. Now look, watch carefully. That's the change of trend we're looking for here. Look at the change of trend. So since Friday, we already had a buy. Can you see GBP NZD? The change of trend started Thursday into Friday. Is it clear? Is this change of trend clear? This change of trend. So lower high, lower low, higher high. When that happened, then this became the new low, the new low, okay, and this became the new high. It happens every single time. In this case now, price came to deepen into extreme discounts. Price came deep into what? This extreme. So if you draw your Fibonacci from this low now to this high, price almost came back into the 100%, and it happens. It has the right. But if your entry is even from 71 and your stop loss is below, you will still be in this trade, but you just be on the drawdown. When price enters 71%, it went deeper into what? 100%. But if your stop loss is below 100, you won't be stopped out. You are still on track, and your take profit got hit 1 to 3, 1 to 4 rather. So you can see that we have the same setup every single time. The same thing we do. When price gets to your location, you wait for a change of trend, right, and you enter in the new direction. When price gets to your location, wait for a change of trend and get into the direction of it. So now we have, is this clear? Now we have a new structure. Okay, we have a new structure, but we are currently having this bullish move now, right? So let me first screenshot this and send to us because these are what we need to be training our mind to see every time. Okay, we need to train our mind to see this over and over and over and over again. GBP NZ study. So what do we now see? So let's take off this and let's mark the new structure to the upside. So let's go to 1 hour, a more higher time frame, so we can mark out. Look at what happened during the NZD. There was yama yama happened during the NZD. So let's mark out the structure. Let's mark out the structure. This break of structure. So low, high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, lower low. Now, this is a perfect example of a change of character that will lead to a break of structure, because I believe strongly that this high will still be taken out as liquidity. So we have here now. Look how we have here: low, high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, lower low. So we expect something like this, then a break of structure, then probably a drop to continue buying. Okay, then we continue buying. So let me bring out this. Good. This is exactly what I'm talking about. When we see a liquidity, a lower low that creates a break of structure. That's an example. Are you together? Yeah. So now let's now, since we know what's up, so let's now look at what we have, where we expect today and for the week. Okay, so what do we expect today and for the week? What do we expect today and for the week? So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, then lastly Friday. Yeah. So GBP NZD. This is GBP NZD. On 4 hours, we are seated on a demand zone on 4 hours. Clear? On 15 minutes, we have a change of trend. And we are looking at a what? A bullish structure. So what that will mean is that for us to have a buy day, we need to see what our liquidity taken out, Asian high and Asian low. So we are trying to set our locations. That's what we are trying to do now. We are trying to do what? Set our locations right. We are trying to set our locations right to know what we are expecting. So we want to see probably Asian high taken out into supply days and what we buy. Okay. We buy to previous week high. All right. Yo, that's what I'm sensing. But we just wait. What we can also do is we mark out the previous high of how the Friday closed. Friday closed this way. This is Friday, right? So this was the highest point on Friday and the lowest point. And you can see that for Friday, our low has been taken out. No, no, no. Friday, this is still Friday now. So this is Friday's low. This is still Friday. So this is Friday's low. So let me mark out this. This is Friday's low. Friday's low and what Friday high. Yeah. So we are boxed inside this range. Friday low and what Friday high. Are we together? So what we can do is we're going to what know that if you are inside the premium zone, we sell. If you're inside the yeah, discount zone, we buy. So are we in the premium zone or discount zone? Talk to me. Are we in the premium zone currently or discount zone? And what are we expected to do in the premium zone or discount zone? Are we currently in the premium zone or discount zone for GBP NZD? For GBP NZD, are we currently in the premium zone or discount zone? And what are we expecting in the premium zone or if it's in discount zone? Yeah, premium zone we sell. Change of character, you mean on this premium zone? So premium zone we sell. So we're expecting that, if you are trading GN, when London opens properly, once you see this is Asian eye taken out, look at supply zones waiting for you. Okay, this is a supply zone waiting at the top here because we are already in the premium zone, right? We already in the premium zone. So once Asian eye is taken into this guy or takes out a little bit, we sell because we're in the premium zone. Take profit at the equilibrium or Asian low. It comes here, we buy. So let's wait for confirmation for GN when London opens. GN is simply London and New Zealand. So New Zealand has passed. Asian has what? Has passed. So we wait for London. If you notice, look at how the past, how to back test. Check the session where there was volatility. Look at during London session, look at this sell happened during London. Although yesterday's sale happened during New York, so that means there is still a touch of New York section in GN, but not all the time. Okay, just look past and look at where the volatility happened, where the sell happened. I think okay in this place, New York was distribution phase. Yeah. Okay, in this case too. Okay, London and New York was what the buy phase, distribution phase. In this case, Asian and London was the distribution phase. In this case, Asian was much more the reason for this. So look at 108 is Asian, 70 London, 89 New York. So Asian had it here. In this case here, New York had the distribution phase. So just go and backtest and know the session that has more volume. So you get yourself prepared. In this case, look at London has what? 137. New York has 137. So they are both in this case, New York has more 180. So you can see that for GN, it also moves during New York. That's my point I'm making. GN also moves during New York. So be prepared. If you don't see Asian opportunity, you don't see London opportunity, wait for New York opportunity. Is that clear? So there's no need to rush. So for example, now we didn't see if those that trade GN, you didn't catch for Asian, no wahala. Wait for London for liquidity and confirmation. If you don't see for London, no problem. Wait for New York. One of them must give you opportunity. Those are the pips. Pips. The number of pips that each of the session delivered. New York delivered 180 pip. 180 is 180. 180 pips. New York. Asian delivered 57.3 pips. So those numbers are the pips. So that you know the average range of pips that each session delivers. All right. In this case now, London delivered 137 pips. Also with what? With New York. Right. So now we are at 7 o'clock, right? Okay, it has not given us our number yet. Yesterday, Asian delivered 59. You can say that Asian range here, because Asian section is NZD, right? So we might not really get the we might not really maximize Asian section strategy here because it's mostly used for those pairs that are dead during Asian section. Is that clear? Premium. So what other pair? Yesterday, for those that are not aware, yesterday we started Sunday swing insights with ProFx every Sunday by 9 p.m. So we did a lot. So if you have not, you can go back and watch what we did yesterday. We had a very intense, a good time yesterday night. So every Sunday by 9 p.m. we'll be having a Sunday swing insight. And the goal is for us to, like I said yesterday, the goal for the Sunday swing is for one to sharpen our strategy and edge in the market. Every Sunday when we come like that 9 p.m., remind ourselves of what our hedge is and our strategy is. That's one. Number two, we set the tone for a profitable week from that Sunday night. Number three, we analyze key movements. We look at how price played out the previous week, look at the movement of the market to analyze the movement and learn and review. Then four, we identify our top three pairs for high probability opportunities for the week ahead. Top three pairs. So many of us have given our top three pairs. So my top three pairs is going to be EU, gold, and GJ or UJ. Some said NZD, GPNZD, NZD, USD, and EuroCAD. So we have given our we have known the three pairs we trade for this week. So don't be intimidated by somebody else that is making profit today. If GN is not your pair, don't trade it. That is the discipline. If Euro USD is not your pair for this week, don't trade it because someone is making money on Euro USD. That is the discipline. If gold is not your pair for this week, don't trade it. So, what is your three top pairs for this week? I've said my own. My own is EU, gold, and UJ or DJ. And that's what we are trading for this week. And I told us that I'm already on this trade for EU. I told us already. I told us already that I'm already on this trade for EU. Okay. I caught this EU this morning and I'm on this trade. So I've placed my first trade for the week and it's on profit now. Massive profit. I told us what I saw, what I expected, what I saw, and it's currently running on massive profit. And I said that if you want to enter this trade, wait for a what? Wait for a break of structure. It has done that now. A retest and you sell. So what did I see? I told us that I saw a change of trend, right? A change of trend. It's very clear. I said I saw a change of trend. After that, I saw a high, low, lower high, lower low. What did I do? I come to my supply and I sold. Type again. Trading is not hard. Type again. Trading is not hard. We said this yesterday on the Sunday swing call, that trading is not hard. Now in the hard. We are the ones that are difficult ourselves. And I'm holding this myself to my Asian low and to my equilibrium for a take profit. Trading is not hard. So my first trade for the week is already on, and I'm watching. And I said that why I'm doing a 1 to 5 because there's a gap that started this morning on EUSD. You will notice there is a big gap that started at the fair value gap. So that gap needs to be filled. That gap needs to be so at least the gap should come into this demand zone, if not even this Asian low and this 50%. And again, we are currently in our premium zone. Say we saw that we are currently in what premium zone. High for yesterday, sorry, high for Friday and low for Friday. High for Friday and low for Friday. We are in what premium zone. And what do we do at premium zone? We sell. Just that we need to now know where and when we are selling from. So this morning we are still bullish. I have to wait. This is a perfect example I've been saying all this while. In the premium zone, we were bullish, right? You have no business with this with this buy. You have no business. In the premium zone, any buy you are seeing is what? Manipulation and liquidity. All this buy you are seeing. Your business is what? Wait for a change of trend because you are in a zone where you are concerned with selling. Is that clear now? When you come to your discount zone, any sell you are seeing here, now what? Manipulation. All you're concerned is change of trend to buy. Am I communicating? Okay, what time is your top pairs? Okay, well, um, you can just pick what's how will I put it now. So, for example, every beginner should start with your 7 major pairs. For beginners, stick with your 7 major currency pairs. Euro USD is a popular pair that is sweet, no stress, no much noise. So EU should be one of your pairs. So out of your 7 major currency pairs, you can just pick anyone, right? Is when you are, truth be told, when you are is your with time, experience, and practice that you will know the ones that resolute. Okay, but know that you have 7 major currency pairs. Out of that 7, just pick any 3 and analyze. So it is in your analyzing and your back testing that you will know your top pairs. You understand? You can just pick anyone, right? But when you are not analyzing, like, okay, I don't like I don't like this one. This one I like this one. So if you don't practice, if you don't back test, you will know the one that is your top pairs. So that's why I choose EU because I've seen EU deliver sweet market for me. Clean structure, no stress. Why I pick gold? Gold is volatile. I like the way gold moves. 100 pips gives you in 1 hour and 30 minutes. I love it. So gold and UJ they move well in volatility. I love it. Why EU? I love the clean structure, no noise. You understand? Okay, so silver. Okay, we will analyze silver very soon. So Albert says, please explain that your entry again. Okay, on Euro USD. Now, look at the entry was a change of trend. Let me come to a clean chart. On in premium zone, look here very carefully. Look at in the premium zone, we are bullish, Abi. Inside the premium zone, we had a bullish structure, right? But I want to sell. I will simply wait for a what? A change of trend. That means I want to see a lower. Once I've seen that, I now wait for price to come to a supply zone, and from there I sell. So why price has given me change of trend, I can now do my Fibonacci from swing high to swing low or look for supply zones. That's what I did. Look at, and I told us that I marked what? High, low, lower high, lower low because I've seen my change of trend, right? Zero, one, two, three. Mr. Albert, you remember? So after my change of trend, look at it. After my change of trend, this change of trend, right? Then price came back towards this supply and sold. But even inside this place, you can see that there is an internal. Let me draw this line very well for you. Look at this. There was a internal structure before it broke out for change of trend. You can see. Then it came here and sold. So let me bring out this part for us and explain this carefully. This is exactly what we have on the charts. This is exactly what we have on the charts. This was exactly what you have on the charts. So let's mark this. Let's mark this. This is low, right? This is high. This is higher low. This is what higher high. All these are happening in the premium zone. All this structure is happening inside premium zone. I'm not interested, sir. All this bullish structure, I am not interested because there is in what is in the premium zone. Now we have higher low again and what higher high. Good. So I'm interested to sell when I see this higher low what taken out. Can you see now? I am only interested to sell when I see higher low taken out. That's not my change of trend. So before it took it out, it gave us internal 0, 1, 2. So this 3 was the break of structure which led to the change of trend. Can you see now? So 0, 1, 2, 3 what break out from the higher low. And what do? I now mark my what? My high and low for Fibonacci to sell. Can you see now? This is practical live markets. This is so sweet. I love this. So let me screenshot this. Let me screenshot this. So I'm not going to sell until I see a change of trend. Once I see that, and I'll have to for price to retrace back into my supply, and I sold. Is the entry clear? Euro USD. Euro USD sell at premium. Okay. So that is Euro USD sell at premium. Euro USD sell at premium. So at premium zone, you have bullish structure, but we are not interested until we see a change of trend and it comes back to my Fibonacci retracement tool or supply zone, and from there I sell. All right, it's clear. Okay. Yeah. So what other question am I seeing here? So let's go to silver. Let's go to silver. I want to see our three pairs now. I want to, Mr. Albert, I've not seen your three pairs. Who else? Mr. Edis, I've not seen your three pairs. I've not seen your three pairs. I need to see your three pairs. I need to see your three pairs. Your three pairs. Your three pairs. I need to see your three pairs. So let's go to silver. Let's even see the state of silver. You can see silver is. I said it. I said it. It's not even about this guy needs to drop. There's nothing. Nothing. Let's go to the silver we had analyzed before. Let's see the locations. I know I mentioned. I mean the demand zone already. Yes, you can see. And I mentioned the bank levels to us, right? It has to come to your location. It doesn't. Is a This market is okay. Next thing you are going to write: trading is predictable. Trading is predictable. First one is trading is not hard. That's one. First one is what trading. These are the beliefs that you need to have in your mind. This is the mindset now. The first mindset is trading is not hard. Second mindset, trading is predictable. You can predict, you can speculate where the market will go to because you have an edge. You have gotten the direction, location, and confirmation. We all said this together that silver was going to drop to demand zone because we know that we are already at the premium. This is not magic. This is not hard. It's the concept of the market. We sell at premium, we buy at discounts. We sell at premium, we buy at discounts. The moment you have a break of structure, right? The moment you have a break of structure, the range has been declared, meaning that everything above premium is what? Sell. If you are seeing a buy, like in this case, you are not what? Interested. You wait for a what? Sell. So all this buy here now was just manipulation. We know because this buy was above 50. This buy no fit hold. So this buy needs to take out this liquidity because it is manipulation. Any buy above 50% is pure manipulation. That's one. That's deliverance. So and any sell at discount is manipulation. Now, last week at this buy we are seeing here, if you go to lower time frame, you will see a change of trend. Market cannot sell without a change of trend. It cannot. Let's check now. Let's check. Let's mark the bullish structure, just like we did for EUSD. Okay. Let's mark as the guy is buying, as the guy they buy, they go up. To marking every what break of structure. So where is the recent high? This is the recent high. Okay, recent high. This is the break of structure. And this is the what's like this is the demand zone. So let's just mark everything here as demand zone, right? So it means everything here until we break out of this, we need to go green sell. We no go gree yo, we no go gree. Everything here is still buy because we are still in what the break of structure and stuff. So once price breaks out of this structure, we are now safe to start selling. And what the price do, look at it carefully. The price break out, yes, massive break. When price break out, you are entering at the retest. Just drop Fibonacci as it's coming back. You don't have, see, the price get to your premium zone at, now it didn't get to 71, but at least it got to 50%. And in that case, you can wait for a candlestick, you can see, or 61.8. 61.8. Yeah, good. So what level this market used was a 61.8. Clean one. Can you see this candlestick close at 61.8? That's the confirmation for bearish stick candle because it didn't get to 71% like that. It didn't get to 71 and 79. But we already have a break and what retest. And I said yesterday that structural break and retest is also a location, right? I said yesterday that structural break and retest is also, that means when you have a break of structure out of this, retest into like a flip zone kind of, is also a location to sell. And that's exactly what happened here. This is a structural break and retest, and we had a sell all the way. So let's not celebrate over past victories. Let's now look at what we have currently. But it's clear, right? The movement silver made last week is clear. We had the premium zone, so we had all the right to what to sell. And this was a clean move. So now, where are we currently now? We are seated at what? 4 hours. Are we on 4 hours already? Okay, I think yes. Where are we now? We are at what? 4 hours. Okay. So we know that we are in what? Our discount. So everything here is what? Buy. We are currently in our discount zone. Everything here is what? Buy. So if you are seeing any sell, is what? Manipulation. So we are expecting what? You might have a further drop to the downside to buy. So you have to be now careful to say, okay, am I doing a counter trend or a pro trend? Now, in this case, now we are still catching sales because we are still taking prices above. So we can say that this is our range now. On Friday, price closed high. On Friday, price closed high and what? And low. This Friday. Okay, this is Friday, right? High and low on Friday. So what do we expect? We are still selling. Okay, this highest price for Friday, lowest price for Friday. I mean, no, this is lowest price. Oh. This is 19 o'clock. This is Friday, 20 o'clock. So this is Sunday. It broke out. It took out this liquidity on Sunday. So highest price and what? Lowest price. So what do we do again? Same thing we do. Our range. So we know that okay, we are going to be. So are we buying? Yes. Are we interested? No. We want price to get to our supply zone to sell or take out liquidity to sell. Okay. So silver traders, silver traders, we are selling with a confirmation when price gets to supply. So wait for New York section. Wait for what? New York section. So let's mark our Monday to Friday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and what? Friday. Okay, yeah. So that's what we have for silver. Is that clear? Is silver clear? So silver, we are still dropping. We are still dropping till price gets to further demand zone. So we have demand zones still resting below here. We still have demand zones still resting below. Okay, these are our next demand targets. If you are selling from here, our TP is where? Here. And even say, okay, let's do Fibonacci now. Let's even do Fibonacci. So we are seeing a break of structure now, Abi. It's not a break of structure. And these are our lower high, lower low. So what do we do? Draw Fibonacci from lower high to what? Lower low. Can you say that it's aligning? Our 27% is aligning with our demand zone. We are collecting our 61%. Can you say that we are aligning with our 71% for supply? Everything is what? Aligning. So just wait. Okay? When price gets to your supply zone, you can either choose to enter buy sell limit or wait for a change of trend in 1 minute or 5 minutes or candlestick close. You will see a confirmation. Once price gets to your location, you can either use change of trend or what? Candlestick confirmation. So on 1 hour now, I'm on premium, but I need to see a change of trend. So any buy I'm seeing here, I'm not interested. All this buy here now, I'm not. Let me go to 1 minute. I'm not interested in all this buy I'm seeing. 1 minute. 1 minute. I want to see a what? A change of trend. You can see I'm still buying. I'm still bullish. And price is not yet at my supply. So I will just keep on marking. And this is not the New York session. Assuming we're in New York now, assuming we're in New York, I'll just mark this. Assuming this is New York section, Abby, I'll mark this as change of trend. And I'll mark this as a strong high. I don't expect price to what to take out. Okay, so I expect to see what a change of trend, price back to my supply, and I sell. Assuming we are in what? New York section. That's change of trend. But we are not in New York yet. So this guy can keep buying. This guy might keep buying up, buying up, buying up. So let him keep on going up. Let's keep on going up till you see a change of trend. Are we together? Yes, silver is clear. Yes, yes, yes. Trading is predictable with what? With DLC. Yes. So Mr. Damilari said, at the moment, I have two instruments, silver and EU. Perfect. Perfect. Silver and EU. Perfect. Okay. Mr. Albert said, USD card, UJ and EU. Perfect. 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 EU, UJ, and what? U card. So I said JPY has a bank holiday today, so we are not trading JPY today. JPY has a bank holiday today. I sent U card to the group yesterday. Let's see how U card has played out. So today is JPY bank holiday all day. So let's stay out of UJ or GJ. So let's see USD card. Let's see USD card. I love it. Can you see USD card now? It has taken out what? Yesterday's low as a liquidity grab. I want to believe that this is a liquidity grab. I want to believe that this low that was taken out on Friday is liquidity. But let's still observe. All right. So this is UCAD. UCAD is a New York pair. UCAD is a New York pair. UCAD is a New York pair. And we said that anything at what discount is buyable. So here now, those are trading UCAD. You can start Albert and Melkis. You can buy. If you see confirmation here, you can buy. You can buy UCAD because we're in discount. So you can buy UCAD to fill up this gap. So wait for what confirmation. We currently have what 0, 1, 2. You never complete. Oh, this is 0, 1, 2. What do you wait for? Break of structure, retest, and what buy for UCAD. Wait for break of structure, which is currently happening now. You can see very carefully. Even the change of trend itself is happening already. Look at if I go to 5 minutes, you see that I already have a change of trend. This lower high. So this lower high wants to start breaking now. Can you see now? Can you see now? This high and what lower low. So that lower high now wants to be taken out for a higher high. That means we have this internal 0, 1, 2 breakout for 3. Once we break out, which I have done now, wait for what is structural retest and what we buy. All right, so that's UCAD. That's UCAD. Clear? Because we need to fill this gap that was created this morning. So there has to be a structural movement to that side. Then we now sell because we're in premium. Is that clear? Woo! Any more pay? Or we call it a day? How about Rabbi Vanamas? Thank you, Jesus. Please study price action. I train my trading eyes to see. The market is as clear as day to me. I train my trading eyes to see. The market is as clear as day to me. I train my trading eyes to see. The market is as clear as day to me. I train my trading eyes to see. The market is as clear as day to me. I think we are good for today. All right, so let's go and study. Let's go and study. Let's go and study. Study price action, backtest, 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 endlessly. Don't even do 100 again, sir. I said you should do at least 100. So backtest until you are tired of backtesting, until you are tired. So the new rule now is what? Backtest endlessly. Everybody type that. That's the new rule. Backtest endlessly. Everybody type that as we wrap up today's section. Backtest endlessly. Backtest endlessly. That's the code. That's the code. That's the code. That's the code. What is the code, guys? Backtest endlessly. That's Wiser Traders code. Yes, yes, yes. Everybody, backtest endlessly. That's the code. Because confidence comes in backtesting. There's no two ways. Oh. Confidence comes in backtesting. You'll be confident that this trade I can take it because you have backtested it, right? Why was I confident to enter the EU today? I don't backtest them now. What do I want to see again? I've seen a change of trend in my premium zone. Abi, what am I waiting for again? So confidence comes when you backtest. So the question is, how confident do you want to become? If you want to become confident little, then backtest little. So I won't even tell you to backtest again, Seth. If you want to become confident, you go and backtest. There's no other two ways. Oh. Abi Merkis, what do you do? What did Merkis do? He was backtesting every day. There's no magic in this thing, guys. There's no magic in this thing. You backtest endlessly. There's no magic. Yeah. So with these few points of mine, I hope I've been able to convince you. So good news, tomorrow is Tuesday and we have our mainland workshop starting off tomorrow. Even if it's one person I see, I will teach. You know me, I'm not about crowd. I'm not about crowd. So if I see one person, I will deliver. But it's good we all turn up. So I will send the flyer to us now. I think the flyer is ready. This guy. Mainland exclusive trading workshop. As well. Okay, so if you are in mainland, show up tomorrow, 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Invite, 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 invite. You are going to be around tomorrow. Let me see. If you be around tomorrow, let me see who's will be coming around tomorrow. If you're gonna come around tomorrow for the workshop and you bring a friend, if you're coming, don't come alone. If you're coming, don't come alone. Yeah, Mr. Abbott, yes. Please be there. In fact, Femi would love to see you. Mr. Femi would love to see you. Show them that you don't grow, you don't sabi. Tell them that you have sabi. Yes. And if you can bring someone, but if you can't bring someone, no problem, just come. All right. Who else will be there? So Mr. Abbott, you're my first guest. Who else? Who else? Who else? Mr. Frank. Mr. Abbott, you know M trading now. You know M trading office at Obakran. You should know M trading office at Obakran. So let me check my guy. My guy. What's my guy doing? My guy is still dropping. Okay, my guy is still a drop. My guy is still a drop. My guy is still a drop. This is no stress. There's no stress. No stress. Even if you don't enter at the supply, look at this candlestick. This candlestick was okay. This candlestick is your entry to if you now enter at the supply. This candlestick is your entry. Okay, my time is a little bit behind. My time is 1 hour behind. So I entered at 7:07, around 7 o'clock, 7:02 or so. This 6 is 7 o'clock on my own end. So this guy is still dropping. Well, let's leave it. Let's leave it. Okay, let's leave it. Hmm. Can you see how this guy jumped on daily time frame? See where daily closed. See where daily closed. See where daily now open. See the jump. So see the jump on 4 hours. Can you see? So this gap needs to be filled. See from this close now, it does jump. Come here. You understand? So we have to fill that gap. Eh? And it's money. Gap trading is money. Oh. Gap trading is money. Gap trading is money because you have 90% chance that this guy will fill this place. 90% that will fill this place. So these are the small things that we need to know. All right. So yeah, backtest endlessly. So I call it today. It's 8:31 already. Thank you for joining as usual. We see you tonight. For those that are in the mentorship, we have our class tonight by 7 p.m. for the mentorship students. Okay. All right. Have a great day. See you in the evening, 7 p.m.